everyone, welcome back to my channel. Beginning with the next case study, that is case study number 9, and this is the second last case series for excretory system. Let's see ahead what is planned. Same topic, same sequence I mean. Read the passage given below and answer the following questions. Whereas the case study is based on some sweat and sebaceous glands. That is, let us read out what is given. The sweat and sebaceous gland in the skin eliminate certain substances through their secretions. So we know that kidney is the major organ that is excreting the waste in the form of urine. लेकिन apart from that there are other structures in the body as well. Like for example कुछ glands है, जैसे हमें पसीना आता है so sweat glands, हमारी body में oil secrete होता है तो sebaceous glands. So this sweat glands, sweat is released by sweat gland, ठीक है, that is पसीना, and sebaceous glands release oil, ठीक है, जो हमारी बॉडी में ऑयल दिखता है हमें. So these sweat and sebaceous glands in the skin can eliminate certain substances through their secretion. काफी waste उन्हीं secretions के through excrete out हो जाता है. Sweat produced by sweat glands is a watery fluid. Sweat जो sweat glands से produce होता है वो basically एक watery fluid होता है जिसके अंदर NaCl है, जिसके अंदर यूरिया है, जिसके अंदर lactic acid है. You see all the waste products. So what does sweat contains? Fluid which consists of NaCl, which consists of urea, which consists of lactic acid. Though the primary function of sweat is to facilitate cooling effect in the body, वही जो हम अभी आज के डेट में मैटर में भी क्लास 9th के साइमल्टेनियसली पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस देख रहे हैं तो साइमल्टेनियसली मैटर पे भी हम कूलिंग इफेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि जब भी कुछ इवेपोरेशन होती है तो वो पीछे एक कूलिंग इफेक्ट छोड़ के जाती है. तो प्राइमरी फंक्शन जो है वो स्वेट का है बॉडी में कूलिंग इफेक्ट देना, लेकिन इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन द रिमूवल ऑफ वेस्ट. साथ ही साथ वो वेस्ट रिमूव करने में भी हेल्प करता है. सो देखा जाए तो एक तीर से दो निशाने लग रहे हैं, ठीक है जी. That is mentioned above. Whereas sebaceous glands eliminate certain substances. Sebaceous gland की oil secretion से कौन कौन से substances निकलते हैं? Sterols, hydrocarbons and waxes. These substances are secreted through our sebaceous glands. Through sebum. और जैसे पसीने को sweat बोलते हैं, जो oil secretion है उसको sebum के नाम से जाना जाता है. We call it sebum. This secretion provides a protective oily covering for the skin. इस secretion से जब भी oil हमारी skin के ऊपर आता है तो वो skin को protect करता है. It doesn't let any injury to happen to the skin. ठीक है, वो एक moisturizing effect डाल देता है. This was about the case study. Now based questions on this case study, state the waste present in the sweat. Sweat में fluid which contains NaCl, which contains urea and which contained lactic acid. यही लिखा था हमारी केस स्टडी में पीछे. Then what is the secondary function of the sweat? Secondary function of the sweat is to eliminate waste. क्योंकि primary function तो उसका क्या था? To bring about cooling effect. ठीक है जी. State the compounds present in the sebum. Sebum में present है sterols, hydrocarbon and wax. ठीक है जी. So these are the answer to the questions. Let's एक बार check also. Sweat fluid containing NaCl, small amount of urea and lactic acid. Then to remove some waste produced due to metabolic activity is the secondary function of the sweat. वही पूछा गया था हमसे. And sterols, hydrocarbons and waxes as the waste released by the sebum. Okay. So that's all about case study number 9. Any doubts? Please connect with me or comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.